Good evening, good evening. Now I just finished. I'm just now come at home. I finished from the Luchi. Oh, you see? So this one, I'm going to order for okay, that is for that. Okay. And I think this one is Kentucky. Kentucky. It's Kentucky. You see? Wow, finger and Kentucky. And another one is, I think, is also Purcell. It's the same. Okay. So I think I guess see, this one is for the school. It's the same also. So we prepare na this one for the school. And CC. And this one is for I get for me. Okay. And this one I get this one so suway pa naman din. Nasa naman yung ano. I get sahal for me. For CC for the school, it's the same na lang. I think same for me, and this one I think this one I like it. And the finish. This one. I'll put this one also. Eat with the rice. I want to eat with the rice with the chicken. I forgot. Okay. I want to eat with the rice. Thank you, madam. Thank you for my new hair.
This one for you, Archie.
You want to eat?
I'm eating a matam.
You eat in the mataam na? Yan na si good night na ikaw.
No.
Why you?
I'm not sleeping.
Why?
I did it.
Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you to thank you again for your watching to my old videos.
Do you have?
Yeah, I make it.
Bring you water.
No, water is from here, not for drink. Uy, for hair, for put this one, uy. For the wawa, uy. Hair. Why you didn't sleep na? Kasi tomorrow pa you will need to wake up early. Ngayon na. may balik ka pa naman. You will become late.
I wait here.
Yeah, I put her inside.
What is one?
That one for the wawa, put her at the back. For the shoulder. I don't know how to open this one. It's very difficult. How to open this one.
Mommy, me.
Dali, tell your mama to open, please. Sir, can you open? This one for the hot. Once again, thank you. Thank you to all subscriber of mine, nationwide and worldwide, to the different countries. You belong in the different countries that you subscribe me in by my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And you are giving me time, you are giving chance, you are patient to subscribe me in my Simply channel. And Merry Christmas to all of us. That is the best only vice versa gift for you to get me to make me happy. You make me happy and keep safe lagi, because that is our important, that is the most important for us. Thank you again, and thank you for everything that you have given to support in my YouTube channel. Who you are, that you subscribe me, and who you are that you are watching of my videos, on my short videos, in my regular videos. And I can't speak well na my feelings, how I'm happy, and I'm very glad talaga, super, na that is my part of my journey as a domestic helper here in Baghdad, Iraq. I can't express what I feel, and that is the best. Of course, my life, my good health, my family in the Philippines, all, and I have a good employer on both sides, the family of Madam Ansel and Sisi. That is the most. That is one already of my family, my brother, my niece, my apo, my relatives, my cousins, angkan to angkan, batchmate, katropa, ka-workers, kakilala, ano pa, mga kumari, kumpare, lahat. Alam nyo na, it's very hard na to speak, to mention individual, okay? So that's why I make it generalized that thank you very much, nationwide, worldwide, buong bansa, sa bawat countries na nagiging party na sa paglalakbay for my journey as a housemaid, that you are very thoughtful to subscribe me to share, to likes, and to comment. So I'm very, very happy. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you talaga, thank you that you are giving me chance to watch in social media to my draw in my YouTube channel. Thank you, and to the company also of the YouTube channel. Thank you that you are giving me chance to enter in your company, to be someday. If it depends of you, and it depends of God, and it depends to all some persons that you are watching to my videos, to make also to subscribe me, share, likes, and comments. It depends of you also. I'm very thankful, and I'm very thankful. Thank you very much. And from the bottom of my heart, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Coming soon, 2025. To all your families, whatever you are, wherever you are, in the different countries, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And bye. Bye. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, Lotsi, for my new look of my hair. Thank you, Sir. Thank you to the family of Madam, to the whole family of Madam, and to the whole family of Sir, and to my alaga, si Sisi. Thank you very much. And it's our dinner, rice and with chicken.